Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove Gmail from Facebook. To do that, all you have to do now, open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Go to settings. Under settings, tap on this personal details. Now scroll to down and tap on this personal details again. Under this section, tap on this contact info. So now you can be able now to see all your Gmail on your Facebook. So for me, I want to remove this first one. Tap on it. Tap on this delete button. And tap on this delete again. So from this section now, it will ask you to type in your password before you delete your email on Facebook. After you type your password, tap on this continue button. It will allow you to remove your email from Facebook. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.